Welcome to this week's News from the Lake. We've got quite a lot of news for you this week. First thing is our Darkest Depths comic book Kickstarter is starting soon. You can click on the Notify Me on Launch button, and authors who are interested in writing for comic books can check the link for the submission guidelines. Then I'd also recommend you check out the link that goes to a blog post on our website where I talk about everything and every way that Crystal Lake contributes to the writing industry, the horror genre, just everything we do so that you are up to date. We are also looking for newsletter swaps. If you're an author and you have a mailing list and you'd like to advertise some of your books or sales on our newsletter, we'd like to do the same on yours. So just check the details in the description and let us know if you're interested in a newsletter swap with us. Our newsletter is over 6,000 readers strong. The Kindle pre-order for Kane Gould's Path of Totality is also live. There's a pre-order special by the author. Check the link for a YouTube video where he explains what he's giving away, and it includes paperbacks. Our Eddie Poe show, which is our Crystal Lake Kids YouTube channel, is actually already live on YouTube. Our first official recording is May 27th, but we already have a few short videos on there to show you what's going to happen and introduce you to the puppets. Please give us a follow on the Eddie Poe Show YouTube channel, but also our Crystal Lake Publishing YouTube channel. We are trying to reach 1,000 subscribers so that we can monetize these sites. Then we also have two confusing and completely made up awards, but well-deserved awards to hand out. The first one goes to Mark Allen Gunnels. His Before He Wakes novel has the Best Coma Ever award. And Jason Mark Harris's Master of Rods and Strings won the award for the most likely to have title confused with a fishing or music book award. Congratulations to them both. Two ebooks are going on sale this weekend. The first one is a Sinister Smile Press anthology titled Evil Little, and then the Reviewer's Guide by Rick Hibson. It's Rick's birthday this coming Sunday, so please support him there. We also started a new venture where we ask our authors to send in excerpt readings from their books that we can post on our YouTube channel. You can expect quite a few more in the next few days and weeks. There are about 2 or 3 already there. Go and enjoy them, see if you like the book, and support the author. Congratulations as well to authors Nick Roberts, Lee Kenny, and Dan Franklin, whose Urban Legends, which is our Dark Tide 20 anthology, is still a bestseller on the American Horror list on Amazon. And finally, also go check out our Crystal Cove Press imprint, which is our young adult imprint. Their new website is up. It looks absolutely amazing. Until next time, remember, some doors aren't meant to be opened.